Good evening all. Hello all. In this video we are going to learn about assignment operators in C. There is one assignment operator which is equals to, but there are some other shorthand notations are there that we will discuss in this program. As the program will be written in terms of main, I will be declaring one variable called x and another variable called y. I will be declaring the value of x is equals to 5. So here what I had been done, this is called assignment, right? Another assignment I will be making, y is equals to x plus 3. This is also assignment. So this is what happen is the value of x will be added with 3 and will be assigned to y. So let us print the values. Printf value of x is %d comma x. I will be making copy of it, copy, paste. Instead of x I will write y here. So here I will make it to be y. Now I will taking the concept called the value of x is 5, value of 5 is 8. Now I will be writing x plus is equals to y, which indirectly refers to x is equals to x plus y. Let us see the program outputs for this statement. So here the value of x will be 11. File, save, passn.c. Then we will compile this, then we will run. See, x value is 5, y value is 8. Again the modified value x plus equals to y is 13. Now I will be making x minus is equals to 5, which indirectly refers to x is equals to x minus 5. Now we will get the output as minus 3. Here the value is minus 3. Now let us make the symbol as multiplication. Then if we run the program, the value will be 40. Then we have integer division, then compile, let us run, the value will be 0. If it is floating division, compile, then run, the value will be 5. 8000, which is remainder 5. We can also apply bitwise AND operator. So compile and run. The value of 5 and 8 will be 0, because we know the ASCII code for eight is this, ASCII code for 5 is this, where logical AND is to be applied in this, then we will get 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is the case how we will be getting the value called to be 0. If I will apply OR operator, logical OR, then our output will be, rather than this 1101, this will be 13. File, so I'll write double slash here, I'll write double slash here because to make the comments, otherwise this will create the error. Compile, then run. Sorry, in downwards I have to apply. Here x or y, x or equals to y. X is equals to x or y, which we are writing here. Compile, then run. The value is 13. Even if we go for x or y, so this will be the same case. The 13 means, I would like to tell you, is x or y. Right? The value will be the same. Compile, then run. Yes. So in such a way we can use assignment operator in our C programs. That's all in this video. Thank you.